Okay.
Hey guys, it's Grumpy Dumps, and welcome to a destruction video. This is a Christmas themed little train station that I found in an attic, and it's a piece of garbage. To help me destroy it, though, I have a good friend of mine. His name is Max.
Hi.
He's all the way in Sugarland. He's a really nice guy, so he's gonna help me destroy this. So
It's gonna be fun.
let's get into it. So, what do you want to do?
Let's put it on the floor.
Okay. We're gonna rotate hilter kilter. All right. So there it is with a hammer. So Max, you want to see what you can do with it? First, no, we gotta have it running.
We'll take turns. Okay.
Ready?
Okay, I'm gonna take a turn with that.
Go. Oh God. Watch out. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. It's the speaker. Max. Max. You broke it with one hit. That was the speaker, dumbass. It's not even gonna work now. Okay, might as well me take a turn at it. Watch out. Oh shit. What the hell was that? Oh, wait a minute. Oh wait.
Oh no.
Oh, there it is. It's a bit of the roof.
That's
Shit, your turn. I'm gonna move. Oh shit. Oh, around the buttons. Oh fuck.
I chipped it.
For those who could not see, here's the speaker. There's the top.
Shit went well.
And you pretty much caved in the top. I might as well finish this off. Move. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Oh shit. Ready? Set. Oh!
I'm not done yet.
Ow! What the hell? Oh shit, there went the roof.
Let's stand it up upright. Let's stand it up.
Oh wait. There's the piece of shit.
I'm gonna hit it. I wanna hit it.
I think it's done, Max.
No.
Oh shit. Max, wait. Okay, go. Oh fuck. Okay, we're done. Wow. Can you go grab the piece from under the table? That was a battery you hit. Go grab the battery, dummy. In the meantime, I'm gonna clear up this mess.
Oh shit.
Oh god. Oh fuck.
Oh fuck, that was funny. First
Oh man, where's the battery? That one. Oh shit, where'd the other one go?
Number 2.
Okay, whatever. Just put it over there.
It's right.
Okay, get it, man.
This shit is funny.
Oh man.
I took one in.
Okay, well as you can see, hang on. Oh no. Here's the end result. We got some wiring and shit, you know.
Bad.
I think this is done, Max. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we did an okay job.
Max, what do you think? What do you have to say? You destroyed it with one hit, leaving me without doing it.
Don't buy this.
You won't be able to find this, Max. Okay, you know what? We're done. I think you're done.
I had some fun.
That's okay, guys. That was destroying whatever the hell that was. And yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed. As always, subscribe and click the like button and to keep up to date and, you know, whatever. So thanks, Max, for being with me for this and for the shits and giggles. And with that being said, don't be in the dumps. Stay with the Grumpy Dumps. See you then.